Hi everyone, I'm in Pangasinan right now and in my room and oh, I so miss this place it's 12:35 in the morning and I'm gonna prepare because I will travel back to Manila because I still have a class and it's a Monday morning today and I still have class at 9 a.m. So I need to be back before 9 and there I so love Pangasinan. I so miss this place. This is my comfort zone. I can do everything and anything on my bed. I mean, in my room. I'm sorry. And yes, so this is me, Aldrin, and saying welcome to my room. Since this is my first time to vlog inside my room, and that's all for now. Anyway, thank you guys for your comments on my videos. Even if I post it on Facebook. The comments are there and thank you for your comments and views. Please keep them coming. I appreciate it. Thank you. See you.